on the boat. Oh my god guys, it's so warm today, isn't it? Roasting. I could not think of anything worse than what just happened to me. I'm not even joking. Well, I could. I booked the seat trunk on the plane coming here. So I was sat with a lady and her grandson. And Tony was in front for the full flight, which was a nightmare. Coming here then, when we got on our bus to come here, the bus, I don't know, he told me not to, he told me to get in front. He said, you front. So, obviously I got in the, he just must have wanted me to be in the front with him. That's probably what it was. Because every time he was changing gear, he was rubbing his arm up against my arm every time he changed gear. So nice though. So, I didn't believe in that. I'm vlogging. So, right now, I'm ecstatic, whatever it's called. Well, Tony bought me something absolutely gorgeous out of jewellers. Do you want to see? So nice.
It's a leaving present.
It's a new engagement ring. It's so nice. So I'm thinking maybe we should get our rings blessed.
No.
We've been married nearly 30 years, or 28 years, so I think it's only fair.
It's only fair we don't, because you push me enough.
We didn't get married in a church, and that's every girl's dream, isn't it? Not that I wanted it. Well, obviously every girl wants it, but we got married in a registry office, so I think he could actually do now for me is go get our rings blessed. What's wrong with that?
Jesus.
It does, you don't have to like a church to go get your rings blessed. So I've got new blingy blingy. No. So if you see me doing this a lot, you'll know why. I'll turn you round so you can see this good.
Got more cold sores.
I have actually got it. The cold it's going now though. It was right across the top of my lip. I don't know what you mean. Oh, it's because, yeah. Now I'm showing off my blink. I'll turn you around so you can see the view. Gorgeous. 1 second. A house, absolutely stunning. Let's take it, please. It's sun shining. It's such a nice day. So I'm sure there'll be lots of, well, you can get what's here. You get a large as well. You get on this boat trip. I can't even remember how much it was. What? How much was that? How much was this? That's 1,000 lira. 1,500 lira, but you get your dinner, you get drinks. 1,400 and you get drinks. You get your lunch, which is all barbecue food, which is amazing. Tony will love it because it's fish. Not all fish, but there is quite a lot of fish. Obviously, you're on a boat. And we stop at 4 ports, so I'm pretty sure there'll be lots of footage, and we get to swim in the water, which is amazing for Tony as well, for his legs. There's nothing. His legs are absolutely perfect when they're in water. It's just a pity you can't walk around in water all day. It'd be perfect, wouldn't it? No. But yeah, there'll be lots of footage, so I'll see you in a little bit.
Her name is Jennifer. She makes face painting. If you want to be done, she's going to do 3 face paintings. Second floor.
Bluefish.
Yok mu İngilizce? Var mı? Yes, they are bluefish. And also in the right, you can see a guy who is going to jump the water.
Aquarium, natural aquarium.
Wow, red gone. So we've just been for a swim. Oh my god.
Nose.
How you feeling?
Nose rubbing.
We literally, it was so nice. Like, it's just incredible. Like the water is. One second, guys. Yeah. So the water's like, okay, like a crystal green. We call it. It's so nice. Normally when we come away, we always bring our snorkels with us. I know. We normally bring our snorkels. We've got a full face snorkel. And of course, no, we didn't bring them. Wow, party boat going on. But yeah, we normally bring snorkels and we didn't bring them this time, which I'm gutted about because you can literally see right to the bottom of the sea. It's gorgeous. But I have brought, I'll show you what I've brought. So I brought one of these to put my phone in. So on our next stop, I'll put it in my phone and I'll see what I'll just dangle it in the water and see what I get. I think it's near dinner time now, I'm hoping to, because I'm starving. Water, because we're being good. Well, we don't drink. We've had one FS. Is it FS? We had an FS lager. Just the one. But yeah, that swim was so refreshing, it was lovely. Turkey is the most beautiful country, honestly, it's so nice. It's really, the people are absolutely incredible. Just stunning, absolutely stunning. Insane. Yes, I have. That's a party boat. This is a party boat. We got on that boat by accident. We're on the relaxed tour. But yeah, I'll check back in again in a little bit. So like I said, we get lunch on this boat trip. It's all in the price. And we've just sat down to eat. It's so nice. Let me spin you around so you can see. So yeah, one sec. Pasta, chicken, potato and salad. You like? Like it?
What?
You like it? Do you like it?
Delicious.
Oh my days. It's hard work. So we're just going to enjoy some dinner. Hopefully have another little dip before we set off to another little stop. See you soon. So dinner is done and it was absolutely delicious. So now we're enjoying the sea again and ice cream. Look at this ice cream, it's unreal. It's so nice. Guys, look at that. Let me put mine there so you can see properly. It's on a melon. You like? How amazing is that? So I'm going to go and eat ice cream. So we're back off the boat trip. Oh my god, guys, you don't even understand how hard that was on the way back. We got photos took while we were there. Oh my god, I love them. I'm obsessed. And Tony was well made up with them, as you all know. He loves getting a picture taken. He's coming here Friday. He's coming to our hotel Friday, so he's got other ones that he's bringing to show us. He's got a black and white one, a gorgeous black and white one, Tony, lovely, so right. There's this one. I know it's back to front, it says Alanya, but absolutely obsessed with that one. We have like a little book one. So that, I'll turn you around for this because it's like a book. Let me turn you around. Right. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love that one. I'm obsessed with that. So, there are pictures from today. I absolutely love them. The boat we went on, I'm going to put it in anyway. I've done a little video of the boat when we got off. Relaxed tour boat it's called, but I will put it on. So nice. The dinner was absolutely gorgeous, Lena. Hello. What? The dinner was gorgeous. Yeah, dinner was lovely. The only thing we were a little bit annoyed about was everything was free, weren't it? They did say everything was free. Our tour guide, not tour guide, our rep, who booked it for us from the hotel. We paid like 1,500 lira for that trip, and he did say, and you get your all drinks for free, and you get your dinner for free. So we had one FS lager each. We didn't take any money with us at all because obviously we don't drink anyway. Yeah, so obviously we're not going to leave money in my bag on the boat while we're in the water, so we didn't take no money with us at all. Turn that down, babe. We didn't take no money at all with us. So we had one lager each. And when I say a bottle of lager, I mean it must have been about the same size as my ciggy, a little tiny bottle. We just fancied the lager, so we got one. But then for the rest of the trip we had water. Thank God, because at the end, the captain came round. I keep bleeding. He came round and he said, "Hi brother, all this malarkey. What is your name on here?" So, because I had to write in the book Kaz. Now I thought maybe you're only allowed a certain amount of bottles for free, and then after a certain amount of bottles you've got to pay, which is understandable. But no, we owed him 100 lira, and obviously we didn't have any money on us. Oh, it was so embarrassing. Yeah, it's 100 lira. It works out in less than a tenner probably. £4, £5, £6. It was so embarrassing. So anyway, when we spoke to him, he said the photographer's coming here on Friday morning, so we're going to give him the money for the pictures and the money for the lager. But yeah.
Even the photographer's good. Like, you think the photo?
Yeah, because he said to us, we'll take a picture, but we didn't. We said to him, we haven't got no money on. We haven't got money with us, and he said that's fine, it's fine. I'll do them anyway. And he's done them, brought them over to us, showed us, and we said to him, you know, obviously we haven't got no money. He said, no, it's fine. He said, can I come to your hotel on Friday morning and meet me at reception? So how nice is that? Like, so trusting, so trusting. But yeah, he gave us all the photos. Like, for all he knows, we could be going home tomorrow. But look, yeah, he gave us all the photos, which was really nice.
It was a lovely boat we were on now.
Yeah, it was gorgeous. It was. Even the man, the captain, when we said we didn't have the money for the lager, he said, no problem, no problem. It's fine. He was lovely. He comes out with us for a little bit, didn't he? Yeah. Chatting to us for a little bit. Lovely man. So I think they may watch this. I don't know if they will, but we did tell them about me vlog, me YouTube and stuff. So
you know, they had 200 something lira, but you bought ice cream on the boat.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna put a clip in of the ice cream that we had, which was 200 lira each. So it was 400.
100 lira each.
400, weren't it? You sure? Yeah. Oh, it was 100 lira for the ice cream, but I'm going to put it in. That's literally all that we had on us. So we paid 200 lira for ice cream.
I had that in my pocket that I forgot about.
Yeah.
Well, 230 we had altogether. So we paid the 200 for the ice cream. And I get the 30 at the end, the tip box thing.
Yeah. Like that's all, that was the least we could do. It was only 30 lira, that's all, literally all we had. But yeah, it's been such an amazing day. So if you do come to Alanya, guys, go and have a trip on the relaxed boat tour. Honestly, it's so nice. It's such a lovely day, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, you can still get drunk if you want to, but it's just so chilled, so relaxing. And obviously people are still drinking, so it's not like you think you can't drink. You still have a good drink on there. You have music playing. Oh, it's lovely, so nice. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm going to end this vlog here now. So I hope you all come back tomorrow to see what we get up to tomorrow.
I'm shattered.
It's killed, and bless him. I keep forgetting he's 5 years older than me, and I'm tired, so I don't know how he feels.
Your past life is sense, so shut up.
Whatevs. Right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click your notification bell. And I'll see you all back here tomorrow. Good night, love you all.